Do you struggle with taking action, with following through, with accomplishing something on your goals list? Are those resolutions slipping past, not accomplished? Do you feel like it's going to be another year? If you're interested in learning how to start to develop that self-confidence that's going to have you willing to take action, taking action on a regular basis and being consistent, you're going to want to check out this video today where I dive deep into how to actually get stacked for success. This is based upon a couple of books that I've read, Atomic Habits by James Clear and Tiny Habits by James Fogg. Key is getting stacked for success. See, the reason why most of us lack in our self-confidence is because we fail to deliver on the promises that we make to ourselves. In other words, we don't follow through, we don't continue, we don't have that consistency and take the action that we actually set out to. You know, we set these goals, dreams, and desires, and yet for some reason we don't meet them. We've set these resolutions, and for some reason 2 weeks in and we're already thinking about forgetting about that resolution. It's not possible. I can't do that. It's not going to happen. I won't be able to follow through. It's not going to work. Why bother? I'm here to tell you, you can change that through what's known as success stacking. That's what I've created after reading these two books. Phenomenal books. You must get them and go through them. These will change your life. The key is, in other words, we can actually, we've developed this habit of not delivering on the promises we make to ourselves. And that, in fact, actually lowers our self-confidence. See, we've got goals, dreams, and desires and aspirations that are up here, and our self-confidence is down here. Our confidence level is gone. We don't believe in ourselves. And that's why we don't take on those challenges. That's why we don't show up and actually try, because we don't believe we can do it. But through a simple method that I created called success stacking, where we stack micro successes. In other words, you want to actually start getting in the habit of keeping the promises that you make to yourself. How do we do this? We do this by creating micro habits. What I call these micro habits, micro actions. We start taking micro actions on a regular basis. We devise, small actions that we can take and we know we can be consistent in and follow through with. This will set you up for success. See, in other words, simple tasks, simple thing like hydration. Most people don't hydrate enough. Simple tasks. Taking a glass of water, an 8-ounce, 12-ounce glass of water when you first wake up in the morning. This kickstarts your health. You partially dehydrated from sleeping for 8 hours or so, and what happens is, you need that water. Well, why not create that micro habit? Simple task. You wake up in the morning, you have a cup there right in the bathroom, grab a glass of water or a bottle of water, pound it down, and this sets up your day. But what happens is this is a simple, tiny habit. Maybe just simply, adding 1 bottle of water a day to your daytime. I'm not talking about going, to the full amount that you should be using, but just add a little to it. Simple things. Maybe just getting up, half hour early. Get up a half an hour early each day, okay? And set that and just do that. Simple tasks. What's your diet look like? Maybe there's a couple of things in your diet that aren't quite right. Something simple. Like for me, one of my micro habits was actually, eliminating sugar, but not just completely eliminating, but small incremental steps so that eventually it did happen. Think about that. It's creating these small micro habits, okay, and then figure out a trigger that'll have you do them. Get out of bed, grab that water, walk into the bathroom, grab that bottle of water, pound it down, and continue your routine, simple little habits that we can do and we can follow through with. And once you follow through with them, what will happen is you start to set yourself up and you start to actually alter your belief pattern that you can do it and you have done it. And you have the ability, hold on a minute. Automatic light here at the gym. You have the ability to it, and you develop the pattern of keeping the promises that you've made to yourself. That'll allow you to finally start to take the actions, to take those challenges. A lot of people have set, goals and dreams and, sometimes this is a big one that people set in January, that they're going to start showing up at the gym. But most people don't ever show up. Why? Because they don't think they'll be able to follow through. The key is by using my method, my getting stacked for success method, this will actually help you guarantee that you will show up. And I've got other tools that I use that'll actually, if you're interested in learning more about how to become consistent showing up in your gym, showing up in your business, showing up in your health and your fitness and your relationships and your faith. If you want to learn those techniques at well, hit me up, send me a direct message, and I'd be more than happy to share with you some of my trainings on consistency as well. So you combine that with my Stacked for Success training, full access. I'll get you that full access of getting stacked for success, and how we can start to create these micro actions that are going to start to build our self-confidence. So now we've got those goals, dreams, and desires, and our self-confidence is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start to stack successes, those successes, by accomplishing them, stack them on top of one another. And what happens is eventually our self-confidence is to the level of the action that we need to take, and we'll move forward and we will have that success. Hopefully you gained some value out of today's video. Do me a favor, like or comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I go deep into these subjects on a daily basis. These subjects, along with marketing tips and how to market your business and for that business success. You want to set your notifications, click the bell so that when I do go live or when I do post, you'll be notified. You don't want to miss a single one. Tom Speed coming to you live from the Network Marketing Gym of Success, where every day my vision is focused on your success. Take care, have yourself an awesome day, and now let's get stacked for success. Take care, have a great day.